I'm Ahmed Hussain. I am supporting the IKEA Westbahnhof team as a business navigation and operations manager. You can see behind me as well, it's under construction, and in some upcoming months we will be finished and ready to serve the customers. It's a super exciting project as it is one of its own kind. I believe that we are working here from scratch. So defining the operations, how it will be in the future, what is the difference as compared to the normal, ordinary IKEA conventional stores. So that is a different opportunity what we are looking here. Of course, there are some challenges, but together we are finding the new way of defining the future for the IKEA. I'm really proud of being part of this project here. IKEA was my first experience to work with the retail industry. When I was in Pakistan, I have worked like many years in the production industry. So coming up from a different industry, different mindset, different way of working, IKEA embraced me without being judgmental or discriminating. That way I come from, they have accepted me, what I am, not what I know. I personally believe that there is one value which we really believe in, and that's the togetherness. That makes us as a team really special. On the other side, there is room for every personality. It's a company which supports the diversity. And diversity not only means that we have the people of different languages, different color, different race. It also means that the diversity of opinions. And IKEA, we believe that it is really, really flexible for everyone. Everyone can join. There is no restriction for that. Food is also one of my passion, which always remains. Nowadays, I'm trying to really connect the western part with the spiciest part of the Asia. How to make Wiener Schnitzel a bit spicy. That is one of the things, but I have not tried yet. So let's see how much I will be successful there.